Are you looking to use encoders with 24-volt power? We're happy to announce we have a new output configuration for our E5 and E6 encoders that enables them to support 7.5 to 30 volts DC. This is also available in the shafted and hollow bore versions of the E5 and E6 series. Our previous solution for using encoders with higher voltages required an external cable driver. Now, when you configure a compatible encoder for high voltage output, the cable driver is built right into the encoder. It includes a 10-pin, single-ended open collector output. This is a product update we made in response to customer input after hearing a lot of people are primarily using 24-volt power in their applications, and in many cases, encoders were the only parts of their builds that required 5-volt power. The new option is now available. Learn more at usdigital.com. If you have any questions, be sure to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching US Digital Encoder Support. Please subscribe to our channel for product updates, tutorials, and FAQs. If you need help, reach out to us in the comments below or by visiting usdigital.com/support. If you found us here, check out our main YouTube channel at youtube.com/usdigital.